Definition: Kongo, Judah, and YISSA'HE Israel or Ephraim, Hyphilani B. Angalas. 1. Origin of the name Congo, Congo and Gala. Congo, H2290 comes from the word Hebrew kog, or dressed and belted. Final consonant is often voiceless in Paleo-Hebrew, so it is silenced R, which gives Congo. Understand that, the ketubah, the prefix ki the, or earth, placed in Akkadian, Babylonian plus tuba H8421 tauba, Aramaic, answer, talk, equals ketubah. But where does the name Congo come from? What is the origin of the name Congo? The secret. Indeed, the name Congo derives from the verb in Kongo, Lingala, as in Biblical Hebrew, Kanga Arkama H2296. Which means close. Originally this was the belt, as you can see on the wall photo, below. On the right, dating according to archaeologists Edomites between 1400 to 1352 BC, we can see 4 Congo's soldiers, Judah, the Yandis, Yaoundes, Yehudis, and the other image, Nkakabana Congo an elder, with bonnet, earrings and red belt, of the Temple of Ramesses III. Estimated between 1184 to 1153 BC according to Edomite archaeologists. So the 4 Congo soldiers below, are represented on walls in Egypt from the tomb of Ha'ivais, king of Kush at the end of the 18th dynasty under the reign of Tutankhamun. The tribes of Judah, Congo, were neighbors close to the Egyptians, read Numbers 34-15, and they regularly visited Egypt. Ha'i succeeds Joutimes, who served under Kinatu or Akhenaten known as Amenhotep IV, Amenophis IV. This tomb where one can still see the true Jews, 4 represented Congos located in a place in present-day Egypt called Gornat Morai, or Kernet Morai or Gornat Marai. It is one of the necropolises of western Thebes. It is a small hill that lies west of the Amenhotep III burial temple on the west bank of the Nile, just south of Sheikh Abdel Gourna. So you can see yourself how the ancient Egyptians represented their neighbors of the north on the walls of their temples. The true Jews, known as the Congos Bana Yandas, Yaoundé, of the Bible, were all blacks, Congos, and girdled, and these belts comes from the Paleo-Hebrew word Kago H2290, dressed and belted. Consonant final is voiceless in Paleo-Congo Hebrew, so the R is silenced, which gives Congo, Kago or Kago, which later becomes Congo. These belts were crimson, purple, that is, red. It can be seen here with the Nzabas Lambus, Levite Bakongos, of Kankala Congo Brazzaville, of the tribe of Merari, now Molari, with raffia and red belt. The belt is a spiritual symbol of truth, read Ephesians 6:14, or YISSA'HE, H3470. Jesus is spirit, his name can only be spiritual, so symbolized. He said this: I am the truth, John 14:6. Abanabedo, the Bantu my people, his name? Behold, I reveal to you, his name is YISSA'HE Congo, spiritually, the one who comes in the name of Yah, the truth, because Congo is the belt, symbol of truth. Ephesians 6:14. So hold firm, have at your waists the truth for belt. You understand? That's good. This blog will please you. This is just the beginning. Exodus 28:8. The belt shall be of the same function as the ephod and fixed upon it, it will be of gold, of blue thread, purple and crimson, and fine crafty linen. Observe the 2 images on the left, the belts of the ancient Jews, Bakongos, are they not red? Read this blog, will reveal to you the hidden secrets. Take note of the images in opposition, the Edomite impostors, how they copy the old belted Congos. Watch carefully these images, especially the painting of the Vatican of the angel. It is here wisdom, Ngama, the first 2 at the top, with the 4 Congo soldiers and the Molari priest above, date according to Edomite archaeologists between 1400 to 1352 BC and 1184 to 1153 BC. The true Jewish Congos wore the red belt. Belt in Hebrew means Congos, H2290 Congo in Hebrew. See for yourselves here the Edomite impostor's copy. The Bible describes how this red belt was being put on, that is from the chest passing through the back. Mu Congo read Revelation 15-6 and Revelation 1:13. Then Kot was going at the waist. Luke to read 2 Samuel 20-8. You have understood, by now, the secret is here in this blog. Read everything until the end, you will gain wisdom. Chosen people, the Bantu,